The truth is, there is no official confirmation from General Motors that a new 2027 Pontiac GTO will be released. Most of the amazing photos and videos you see online are concept designs created by talented artists and car fans. But if Pontiac ever brings the GTO back, it could become one of the most exciting muscle cars in the world. Many experts believe it would have a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, a powerful V8 engine, or even a high-performance hybrid system, plus a modern digital interior with the latest technology. The original Pontiac GTO was famous for its incredible power, loud engine sound, and classic American muscle car style. That is why millions of car lovers still hope to see its return. Imagine a new GTO with over 500 horsepower, fast acceleration, premium sports seats, advanced safety features, and aggressive styling. It would compete with cars like the Ford Mustang Dark Horse and Dodge Charger. For now, these features are only predictions, not official facts. Until General Motors makes an announcement, the 2027 Pontiac GTO remains an exciting rumor that continues to capture the imagination of muscle car fans around the world. Would you buy the new Pontiac GTO if it became real? Let us know your answer in the comments below. And if you love the latest car news, concept cars, and future vehicle updates, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching.